HBAR is testing a crucial resistance level. If that sounds interesting, you make sure to continue watching this video. If you're interested in charts and trade setups, make sure to check out our Telegram channel. This is where I post all of my updates as well as market trades, so make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another HBAR analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, I know it's been a little bit since we have made an HBAR video, and of course, I have been keeping you guys posted over on Telegram on the chart updates. So if you haven't joined, just check out the link. But looking at HBAR, you can see that we had a very nice continuation trade after breaking above the daily resistance here at 0.05. You guys already know my rule set here is if we use the level of old resistance as new support, that's a confirmation for a continuation trade, as well as the fact that if we have these exponential moving averages being used as support, that's exactly what we want to see. Now, the only problem for me at HBAR as of right now is the fact that we are not really seeing the volume. Look at the 4-hour time frame. Look at all of these little candlesticks that were formed. Usually when you have a breakout trade, you tend to see a lot larger of some volatility coming in, mostly with Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the way. You can see that HBAR is pretty much in this slow ladder case upwards, which of course you guys know usually ends up being an elevator down, and that's exactly why I'm being very cautious with HBAR, looking for some buying opportunities. And you can see that as of right now, we have completed the W formation, which I talked about. A lot of traders are going to get greedy at these levels, hoping for the fact that we continue pushing on this much larger time frame. But ideally, what I want to pay attention to, of course, is a possible retest on 0.058, using that level as support, and then I can see the continuation overall. The reason why I mentioned this is you can see right over here, we had the exact same price action move set, use that level as support, and then we saw the breakout. But if you pay attention, we have been in this zone before. We had the same exact price action movement in terms of the exponential moving averages, a slow ladder case towards the upside, grabbing the liquidity on the weekly, and then we had the continuation. This is why I'm telling you guys to be very careful with HBAR. Ideally, most of the other altcoins like Cardano as well as XRP look way better than HBAR does, mostly when it comes down to a continuation trade. You can see even here on the daily time frame, we are pretty over leveraged from our exponential moving averages, and we also have yet to test the 20 EMA. I don't like taking trades unless that 20 EMA is tested, because that is the worst possible outcome that can happen, is if we get the retest of the 20 and then the continuation. In my head, I know that the 20 EMA was already tested, so the drawdown isn't going to be that bad. But looking at HBAR here on the daily, you can see that this wick as of right now isn't something we can ignore overall, because of the fact that although we did retest a weekly zone, we have yet to get that confirmation on the daily EMA. So if you guys are looking for any sort of trading opportunities for HBAR, I would highly suggest at least waiting for some sort of pullback. And this leads me to my next point for those of you that are looking to short. When you are looking for shorting position, mostly on a swing position, you want to wait for the EMA break structure and then the retest as resistance. Since we are not seeing that, of course, in terms of an uptrend, you want to look at the 4-hour time frame and draw your levels out, ideally where we can possibly look for a corrective move. As of right now, you can see we got the weekly retest, and now we are starting to get this confirmation. If the 4-hour does close below the 0.059 level, then you can look for a very nice scalping opportunity into the 20, and ideally if we get the break, then you can ride the wave pretty much overall, because of the fact if you can catch this slow ladder case towards the upside and the elevator down, you ideally want to enter on the elevator down on the retest of resistance. Once again, because of the fact that we are extremely overbought here, I would highly suggest looking for some scalping short opportunities, because we have already completed the W formation on the larger time frame, as well as the fact that we are on a weekly resistance. You can see the fact that we are extremely overbought and we haven't tested our 20 EMA. There are multiple reasons why right now we would be looking for a corrective move, and that's ideally what I would pay attention to. If we can get the corrective move, then we can use the overall long time period once we get the retest of support. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and hope you guys have one.